Welcome to episode 5. Today, we are talking to the leaders who feel like they are being dragged down by the past. If you are running an SME or a manufacturing company, you probably have a legacy system. This is a program that was written 10, 20, or maybe even 30 years ago. It's the old reliable that runs your business, but it's also the thing that prevents you from using new technology. You want to use AI, but your old system doesn't know what AI is. You want to move to the cloud, but your old system is stuck on a server in a dusty closet. This is where we perform a legacy code rescue. Think of your legacy system like a beautiful old classic car. It has a lot of soul, and it has served you well. But the engine is tired, it uses too much gas, and you can't find the parts to fix it anymore. You have two choices. You can throw the whole car away and buy a new one, which is very expensive and scary. Or you can find a master mechanic who knows how to put a modern engine into that classic body. In the world of software, AI is the new engine, and your human software engineers are the master mechanics. Modernizing an old system is one of the hardest jobs in technology. It requires a deep understanding of the old ways and a clear vision of the new ways. AI assistants are incredibly helpful here because they are like a giant dictionary. They have read the manuals for those old programming languages that nobody learns anymore. They can help your team translate that old code into something modern. They can look at 1,000 lines of messy, undocumented code and explain what it's supposed to do. This saves your team months of manual work. But, and this is a big but, the AI doesn't know your business history. It doesn't know that the weird piece of code in line 500 is actually there because of a specific tax law in 1998 that still affects your invoices today. Only a human engineer can understand the business logic hidden in the legacy mess. As a CEO or a founder, legacy modernization is a strategic move. It is about removing the weight that is holding you back. When you use AI to help rescue your legacy code, you are doing something very smart. You are using the machine to do the heavy lifting of translation and documentation, while your human experts focus on making sure the new system actually works for your customers. This is how you implement AI in a way that provides immediate ROI. You aren't just building a new toy. You are fixing the foundation of your entire company. You are turning a liability into an asset. But beware of the quick fix. It is very tempting to ask an AI to rewrite my old app in Python and think it's done. That is a recipe for disaster. If you just copy the old mistakes into a new language, you haven't fixed anything. You've just made the mistakes faster. You need your human team to look at the old logic and say, is this still the best way to do this? Maybe a process that took 10 steps in 1995 can be done in 1 step today. This is where innovation happens. It's not just about moving code. It's about rethinking how your business works. In our next lesson, we are going to talk about the digital shield. We will look at how to protect your rescued systems from the new threats of the AI era. Security is not a phase 2 problem. It is the most important part of your job as a leader. Stay tuned, because we are going to show you how to build a fortress around your data. The past doesn't have to be a burden. It can be a bridge to your future. Please like this video and follow our channel to learn more about rescuing your tech. If you have a legacy system that is holding you back, visit us at www.consultwithkrishna.com. Let's modernize your business together.